Hi guys, welcome to Unlimited Codes. Today's video we will cover how to download R language. Before that, let's see what is R language. R is a system for statistical analysis and graphics. R is both a software and a language. And R is freely distributed under the terms of GNU General Public License. R is portable, that is, it works on Windows, Mac, as well as Linux operating system. This is the website to download R language. Let's see. I will click this website. I have given this website in description box, so check out that. Okay, this is the website. Here we have three options for downloading. Download R for Linux, download R for Mac operating system, download R for Windows. So my system is Windows, so I am clicking download R for Windows. Yeah, we have to click this base. The new version comes here, download R 4.0.0 for Windows. This is the new version, so we will click here. See here, it's downloading. It will take few minutes, so let's wait. Okay, downloading completed, so click here for installation. Click run. Then click yes. English okay. There are terms and conditions, so click next, 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 next. Click all next, then it will install. It will take few minutes. Okay, then click finish. So our R language is downloaded. Click finish. Okay, we can see that our R language has been installed. Double click. So this is the R language. Then we have to download RStudio. What is RStudio? It is an integrated development environment for R. That is, it provides many tools that helps the users to write codes easily, or simply it helps you to build programs in R. So we have to install RStudio also. So this is the website for that. Just click that. I'll give the website in description box. Okay, RStudio desktop. So download, click here. So I already said that my operating system is Windows. So there is Mac, Ubuntu. So I'm clicking here. So it's downloading. Let's wait. Okay, it's finished. I'm clicking here. Then the same way we have done for R. So clicking yes. Next. So next, then install. It will take some time. RStudio also installed. So let's click here. It will open RStudio. This is the RStudio. So we installed both R and RStudio. In next videos, we will discuss how to write programs in R. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share unlimited codes.